in the darkness, echo in the dew. From the shadows I emerge, with legs falling on, with the echo of the ages, a new terror born. On the ancient aura, fear I embrace. In the dark abyss, you'll find no grace. Stars of eternity, ashes sown. In the realm of night, you'll be alone. Eternal torment, that's where my shadow lies. With its wing of the axe, another mortal dies. Guardians of chaos, ghosts of endless night, enshrouding all the heavens, knocking up the light. Black and echoes wail, the earth begins to quake. With the shroud of darkness, there is a take. On the ancient aura, fear I embrace. In the dark abyss, you'll find no grace. Stars of eternity, message stone. In the realm of night, you'll be alone. From the crypts of sorrow, I rise anew. Born of the ancients, the prophecy is true. In the storm of wrath, I'll find you. Eternal fate, your soul I will construe. On the ancient aura, fear I embrace. In the dark abyss, you'll find no grace. Stars of eternity, ashes sown. In the realm of night, you'll be alone. Invoke the ancient gods. Beneath the sky, we're just the stars. Guidance, clean my soul. In darkness, make me whole. Altars drenched in sacred blood, sacrifices stem the flood. Altars drenched in sacred blood, eternal wrath. Proclaim the mind, raise the flames, Prometheus. Flash lawless in the night's abyss. Zeus, cast down your might. Eclipse the day, just bring the fight. Altars drenched in sacred blood, sacrifice to stem the flood. Altars drenched in sacred blood, eternal wrath. Proclaim the mind. Sacrifice to stem the flood. Altars drenched in sacred blood, eternal battle greet the end.
Where I decay,
and the liquid for death, no one can withstand. Hear the cries, the world's final scan. Now the flame is locked, no savior found. Hell is your prize, they now surround. Eternal shadows, embrace the end. Eternal shadows, no souls remain. No, it's night and void, no stars to see. Dark and the sun, ultimate decree. The world in ashes, lost eternally. Mankind meets their destiny. Eternal shadows, embrace the end. Eternal shadows, no souls of end. On the shadows of Olympus' mind, warriors whisper through the night. Hades gates, cold unyielding death's embrace. So like revealing those thunder roars. In darkness rise, ignoring death under open skies. Hear the plea, divine and deep. From the shadows, gods will weep. Athena's wisdom echoes war. Eris waits forevermore. Call of sirens to awake. Souls of fallen endless graves. Numerous stars and gates below. Endless things will also flow. Ancient prayers in darkness rise. Melodic death under glowing skies. Hear the plea, divine and deep. From the shadows, gods will weep. Gods reside in the silence. Breath with life, ancient prayers in darkness rise. Melodic death under bloodless skies. Hear the plea, divine and deep. From the shadows, gods will weep. Lost in cryptic dreams, devoid to silent screams. Lost in cryptic dreams, floating back they fell. Floating back they fell. Revive my knocking spell. Floating back they fell. moan, so stand my cry, call me out. Hail to gods that rain above, and shroud me in the black alone. Hail to gods of fire and stone, lead me through the darkness alone. In the ruins where titans bound, eternal whispers cast a spell. Death's embrace, a sacred bell. Poseidon guide me, krill as well. Hail to gods that reign above, and shroud me in the black alone. Hail to gods of fire and stone, lead me through the darkness alone. With Hades' breath, my spirit's flown to realms where ancient seeds have sown. Unveil the fate, that time's unknown, and in your light I find my own. Hail to gods that reign above, and shroud me in the black alone. Hail to gods of fire and stone, lead me through the darkness alone. Fun light carries my soul, darkness raging, losing control. Is every world walker on me, empty heart the wounds remain. Shadows whisper my name, screaming at this dying flame. Death, death is calling me. Embrace the dark, set me free. Twisted fate, a life forsaken, in sorrow's embrace awaken. Chaos engulfs by every step, breathing in the void's cold breath. Shattered dreams of the left to give, haunted by the past, can I forgive? Voices echo, ice in my veins. In this desolation, only suffering reigns. Death, death is calling me. Embrace the dark, set me free. Twisted fate, a life forsaken, in sorrow's embrace awaken. Drag me through the ashes, with forgotten souls lament. Beneath the iron lashes, in torment I repent. Death is calling me. Embrace the dark, set me free. Twisted fate, a life forsaken, in sorrow's embrace awaken. Shadows we command, raise the phantom to ask your sense. In this nightmare fractality, visions of the void, our destiny. Children of the alleys here call, unleash the door like a weakness fall. Storm of shadows, as the light rays, we raise the flame. Storm of shadows, light eternal, it's a dark dream. Return to have a spectral form. Our weakness